Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Starlink Unreachable. It means your phone cannot talk to the Starlink router. Look at your Starlink router, make sure it's plugged in and the light is on. If not plugged it, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. After that, go to the setting app on your phone, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected with Starlink Wi-Fi name. If your phone is not connected with good Starlink Wi-Fi, or if your phone is connected with mobile data or another Wi-Fi, Starlink will show unreachable. Plug the router from power. Wait one full minute, then plug it back in. Give it 5 minutes to fully restart. Then check the cable going from disk to the router. Push it in firmly on both ends. A loose cable is very common issue. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. Found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.